In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Game No License Found error. This message usually appears when Steam can't confirm you own the game, or when local files and network checks get out of sync. We'll go through a clear set of fixes, starting with the fastest and moving toward more thorough solutions. First, completely exit Steam and restart it by logging back in. Make sure Steam is fully closed, including the icon in your system tray. Then relaunch Steam and sign in. A fresh session often rechecks your entitlements and clears the license mismatch on the spot. If the error persists, verify the integrity of the game files. Open your Steam library, right-click the game, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. This scans and repairs missing or corrupted files so Steam can properly validate and launch the game. Next, clear the Steam download cache. Go to Steam Settings, open Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart afterward, and you'll sign in again. This is a reliable fix for stuck downloads and odd license or launch issues caused by cached data. Now confirm your internet connection is stable. Restart your router to refresh your IP lease, and, if possible, try a wired Ethernet connection for a steady link. Disable any VPN or proxy temporarily, as they can interfere with regional license checks. You can also briefly pause firewall or antivirus protection to test, then re-enable it once you're done. If you still see the message, re-authenticate your Steam account. Log out from Steam, completely close the app, then open it again and sign back in. This forces Steam to refresh your session tokens and license data tied to your account. Another helpful step is changing your download region. In Steam Settings under Downloads, switch the download region to an alternate nearby location. Sometimes the server you're hitting has hiccups, and changing regions can bypass a connectivity problem that looks like a license error. If none of that works, reinstall the game. Uninstall it from your library, then install it again. This ensures a clean set of files. If the title supports Steam Cloud, your saves should sync back automatically after reinstalling. Finally, if the issue continues, reach out to Steam support. Include the exact error message and mention the troubleshooting steps you've already tried so they can help you faster. Thanks for watching.